Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make focus on iPhone. To begin, open your Settings app and tap on Focus. Here, you'll find several pre-configured focus modes like Do Not Disturb, Personal, and Work. You can also create a completely custom focus tailored to your specific needs. This initial setup is crucial for personalizing your notification experience and minimizing distractions throughout your day. Once you've selected or created a focus, dive into its customization options. You can specify exactly which people are allowed to send you notifications, ensuring important calls or messages still get through. Similarly, you can permit notifications from essential apps, like your calendar or messaging apps, while silencing others. Don't forget to personalize your home screen and lock screen to match your focus, creating a truly immersive and distraction-free environment. To make focus even more powerful, leverage its automation features. You can schedule a focus to turn on and off at specific times each day. For example, activating work focus from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Alternatively, link a focus to a particular location so it automatically engages when you arrive at your gym or office. You can even trigger a focus when opening a specific app, ensuring you stay concentrated during important tasks. Finally, consider sharing your focus status with others. This lets people know you're currently unavailable, preventing unnecessary interruptions. Explore focus filters, which can hide specific content within apps like Mail or Messages, further reducing visual clutter. Remember, you can create as many custom focus modes as you need, perhaps one for reading, another for exercise, and even one for deep work, maximizing your productivity and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.